In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a GIF background in Google Chrome. By the end, your new tab page will have a dynamic animated look, and the change will stick automatically for your current Chrome profile. Start by opening a fresh new tab in Google Chrome. This is the page where your custom background will appear, not your desktop wallpaper. If you don't see the default new tab layout, make sure you're on Chrome's built-in start page and not on a website or an extension page. Look to the bottom right corner of the new tab page for the Customize Chrome button with a small pencil icon. Click it to open Chrome's customization panel. If you can't find it, double-check that you're on a new blank Chrome tab. Some extensions or managed devices can hide or override this button. Inside the customization panel, find the Appearance section and select Change Theme. This is where Chrome organizes all the visual choices for your new tab page. You'll see different theme options, but since we want to use our own animated file, we'll upload one directly from your computer. Choose Upload from Device. This opens your file picker so you can browse to the GIF you want to use. Select your GIF and click Open. A quick tip here. For the best results, choose a GIF that's wide enough to fill your screen, ideally close to your monitor's resolution, such as 1920 by 1080. Larger files or very high frame rate animations may use more memory and battery, especially on laptops, so pick something that looks good without being oversized. Also, store the file somewhere stable on your computer. If you move or delete it later, you may need to upload it again. Once your GIF is selected, Chrome will preview it behind the customization panel. If it looks good, simply close the panel by clicking Exit. There's no extra Save button to press. Your GIF background is automatically saved and set. From now on, each time you open a new tab in this Chrome profile, you should see your animated background. If the animation doesn't play, try a different GIF, reduce the file size, or ensure you're on the standard new tab page without conflicting extensions. That's it. You opened a new tab, clicked Customize Chrome, chose Change Theme, uploaded your GIF from your device, and closed the panel to save. You can return to the same customization area anytime to switch to a new GIF or go back to a static background. Enjoy your new animated look in Chrome.